how to change default digital assistant app, the one when you long press the home button here and it gives you access to the Google Assistant, how to change it or even turn it off. This is for Samsung phones with Android 13. Let's get started. To find these settings, you can use the quick panel access and tap on the gear icon settings right here. Then from here, you'll use the search bar and type in the words default apps, okay? That right there, you'll see this show up as you're typing it. You'll tap on it one time, you'll be taken here, and you'll tap right there where it says choose default apps. As you're here, you'll see the different default app settings, and you want to go to the one that says digital assistant app. As you enter here, you'll see all of this here. You're going to tap on this part right here. When you tap here, you'll see this. Now, if you don't want any digital assistant app when you long press the home button here, you can switch to none. And then when you long press it, nothing's going to happen, nothing's going to show up, and that's disabling it. You can come back here now and switch back to Google if you want to, or if you prefer the Bixby, the Finder option here. If you long press it, you'll notice how now that the different option is going to show up here, unlike the usual Google Assistant or the Samsung browser. And that's totally up to you, okay? So like, sub, and thanks for watching.